Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is the 69th session, and the next feature I want to show up here deals with the duplicate records. So now once again I have got the example file open and I'm looking at the employee record worksheet. Now in the employee record worksheet we got a list of employees information, and I just now added a couple of duplicate records into this list just for the demonstration here. So I'm not going to identify them yet. I'm going to show you a really quick and effective way to find duplicate records. Now I'm actually going to take this into two stages. One, we are first going to identify the duplicates, and the second, we are then going to remove the duplicate, right? And we are going to use two different Excel features to perform these two separate commands. So take a look. Now looking at my employee list, what might be the easiest way to identify if a record is duplicated, right? Can I do by last name? Can I just say, well, if the last name duplicates in any of these records, then it's considered a duplicate? Well, probably not, because you might have employees that have the same last name, right? So that's not really the effective way. But I do have an employee ID, and I typically, IDs are unique. Each employee should only have their unique ID and nobody else should have it. So I'm going to use the ID column, right? And so first, all I want to do is identify which ones are duplicated. So I'm going to highlight my IDs here, and I mean to do this by clicking inside of A2, and I'm going to use a keyboard shortcut to select the rest of them. I'm going to do a Control Shift and down arrow, and this will grab all of the values within that cell. Essentially, Control Shift and your down arrow will jump all the way down to select it until it finds an empty cell, and then it stops. Alright, so I got them all highlighted here. Now that they are highlighted, I'm going to use a feature called conditional formatting, and I'm going to use a specific condition to say find duplicates. So what's this? They are highlighted, and I'm now going to go to my home tab. On my home tab, I'm going to go back to my styles, and now I'm going to go to the conditional formatting. I'm going to go to the highlight cell rules, and down at the bottom I'll go to the duplicate values. Now they are searching for duplicates. You can also say find unique, but I want to find the duplicate, so let it be. And it's already giving me a format, right? Do a light red fill with dark red text. That sounds wonderful. I'm going to hit OK, and I can now see that 1290 was duplicate, 1078 was duplicate, 1529 was duplicate, 1426 is duplicate, 1949 is duplicate, 1067 is duplicate, right? So they are the duplicates right there. So I have got 6 duplicate records, 12 total, but they are duplicate, so 2 times 6, that's 12, right? So I have got 6 records in there that were identified as duplicate. So using a little bit of conditional formatting just to identify the duplicates, highlight the column or whatever set of data you are searching for duplicate within, go to your home tab, conditional formatting, and find those duplicates and format it however you want. But remember, this is just one step. The second step, well, I have identified them. What do you do with them? Right, so I want to remove them. So in the next video, let's take a look at how you can remove those duplicates. But first, try this out. Identify the duplicates first before you remove them. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and as I always say, if you really liked it and enjoying this journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright then, we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. Till the time, take very good care of yourself and have a great day ahead.